Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to increase playback speed in DramaWave. To increase the playback speed while streaming on DramaWave, launch open the DramaWave application on your mobile device first and make sure that you're signed in. Once you are logged into the home page, go ahead and select a drama or a video that you want to watch. While the video is playing, tap on the screen and then go to the bottom of the screen and tap on this playback control at the bottom right next to subtitles. You can then select the playback speed from the menu given. To increase your playback speed, go ahead and select the speed options such as 3.0, 2.0 and so on. Choose the speed that you want, and that is how you can easily increase the playback speed in DramaWave. The video will now play faster according to your choice. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel for more DramaWave tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.